Walk up with your shoulders tight, neck stiff, feeling like your upper body never left the desk. This isn't just about posture, it's about relief, alignment, and reclaiming your breath. Let's hit the mat. Let's start with a reset for both ends of the chain. Bring your left arm across your chest and hold it with your right. At the same time, slowly roll your right ankle clockwise, then counterclockwise. Upper tension meets lower circulation. This move reconnects your shoulders and hips, the two regions that carry 80% of your daily stress. I promise this simple pairing will release tight shoulders and wake up your nervous system. Here's a beginner tip. Keep the stretch gentle. If you need more, pull the arm tighter and slow the ankle circles to deepen control. Can you feel that slight burn in the outer shoulder yet? If not, squeeze into the stretch. Five more seconds. That just opened the gate. Now we go deeper into the arm. Reach your right arm overhead, bend the elbow, and use your left hand to gently guide it behind your head. This isn't just a tricep stretch, it's an antidote to screen slouching. I promise 30 seconds here can undo hours of hunching. Beginners, elbows slightly forward. Advanced, pull it back and deepen the angle. Now switch sides. You're not just stretching, you're reclaiming range. Feel the opening? That's space for breath and blood flow. That just rebalance your upper arms. Let's open the chest. Clasp your hands behind your back and slowly pull your knuckles down as you lift your chest up. You'll feel this through your pecs, biceps, and maybe even your heart. Let that chest expand. Don't just stretch, open. I promise this move brings your shoulders back into alignment and boosts your breath capacity. Tight pecs can limit how deep you breathe. Yes, your stress may be trapped right here. Five more seconds, and 1 inch deeper if you can. That just unlocked your front chain. Now let's reset the neck. Stand or sit tall, drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Slowly roll your head forward, chin to chest, then to the other side. Take your time. This is about release, not speed. Most people stretch everything but forget the neck. And yet, your neck carries every unread message, every stressful thought, every braced jaw. I promise this simple movement will lift tension from your traps and unlock upper body flow. Beginners, keep it small and slow. Advanced switches, let the weight of your head guide a deeper roll. Do you feel that gentle pull behind your ear? That's fascia releasing. Let's take it to the ground for your final reward. Lie on your belly, bring your forearms under your shoulders, elbows bent, palms down. Now press into your forearms and gently lift your chest. Breathe here, eyes forward, shoulders soft. This isn't just a stretch, it's a statement. I'm choosing alignment over tension. I promise this pose realigns your posture, decompresses your lower back, and strengthens your posture from the ground up. Beginners, keep your gaze down and belly supported. Advanced stretches, press into the floor and lift your chest slightly higher. 5 more seconds. Can you breathe deeper than before? You made it, and you just reset your upper body.